Hello and welcome to Ashish Malik IS Academy. To subscribe on Unacademy Plus, you can use the code Ashish Malik or AMYT10 to avail a 10% discount on the subscription fee. And also, you can follow us on Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, and Instagram. Now we will continue our discussion with the functioning of RBI. Till now, we have seen how RBI controls the liquidity through repo rate, through reserve ratios, and through open market operations. In this video, we will cover the printing money aspects. Another major function of the RBI, the printing money aspect. This printing money means injecting more liquidity or extra liquidity in the market. अगर RBI मनी प्रिंट करता है, इसका मतलब मार्केट में ज्यादा लिक्विडिटी बढ़ा रहा है, मार्केट में ज्यादा पैसा इंजेक्ट कर रहा है. This is printing money, and this printing money comes with both positive as well as negative impacts. We will understand what are the positive as well as what are the negative impacts of printing money. Some positive impacts of printing money are: printing money means injecting more liquidity, and if there is more liquidity means banks are having more money, more surplus money. Banks will lend more, banks ज़्यादा लोन देंगे, and these loans will be invested by the investors. There will be more investments, और अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट ज़्यादा होंगे तो ज़्यादा जॉब क्रिएशंस होंगे, एम्प्लॉयर्स को ज़्यादा सैलरी मिलेंगे. सो देयर विल बी इंक्रीज इन मनी सप्लाई, और मनी सप्लाई अगर बढ़ेगा इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ेगा, अगर इन्फ्लेशन बढ़ेगा तो ग्रोथ बढ़ेगा, मोर ग्रोथ रेट. एंड ऑल्सो इट रिड्यूसेस द स्ट्रेस ऑन फिस्कल डेफिसिट. अब गवर्नमेंट का फिस्कल डेफिसिट का टारगेट रहता है, वो कभी फुलफिल होता नहीं है. अगर आरबीआई मनी प्रिंट करता है तो ये फिस्कल डेफिसिट के ऊपर जो स्ट्रेस है वो थोड़ा रिड्यूस हो सकता है. So these are the positive aspects, positive impacts of printing money on the economy. Now let us understand some negative impacts. This printing money may lead to a high inflation, and this high inflation will again lead to more imports, especially more non-essential imports. And this non-essential imports will rise to a current account deficit, and this current account deficit will further lead to depreciation of money. और ये नॉन एसेंशियल इंपोर्ट्स क्या होते हैं, करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट क्या होता है, कैसे बढ़ता है करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट, डेप्रिसिएशन ऑफ मनी क्या होता है, वो डिप्रिशिएट कैसे करता है, एप्रिशिएट कैसे करता है. We will see in the future lectures when we will discuss about the external sector of the economy. But for this time being, we need to know that if RBI prints more money, then there will be more non-essential items, and this will lead to current account deficit, and then further it will result into the depreciation of rupee. And along with this, अब हमने देखा पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट में कि बैंक्स विल गिव मोर लोन्स, और अगर बैंक ज्यादा लोन्स देते हैं, कुछ लोन्स में चांसेस है कि एनपीएस बन जाए, देयर विल बी रिस्क इन एनपीएस. सो this is one of the negative impacts of the printing money, that higher risk of NPAs may rise. So till now we have understood how RBI controls the liquidity through repo operation, through reserve ratios, through open market operations, and we have understood both the impacts of printing money, the positive impacts and negative impacts. And we will link all these when we will cover the COVID-19 pandemic with the current affairs. We will see how this printing money can give us a positive side during this pandemic. Now, let us do some mock questions. Consider the following statements. Printing money may lead to balance of payment crisis. Second statement, printing more money increases pressure on fiscal deficit. Statement 3, inflation is directly proportional to the repo rate. Statement 4, Open market operations always inject liquidity in the market. Which of the above statements is or are incorrect? Option A, 1, 2 and 4. Option B, only 1. Option C, 1 and 4. And option D, 2, 3 and 4. You can pause the video and write your answer in the comment section. Now, the statement 1 states printing money may lead to balance of payment crisis. We have seen the printing money may lead to higher non-essential items. This will lead to current account deficit, and further this will lead to balance of payment crisis. We will discuss in the external sectors, but for this question we need to understand printing money may also lead to balance of payment crisis. So the first statement is correct. The second statement states that printing more money increases pressure on the fiscal deficit. We have seen if RBI is printing money, then it will reduce the pressure on the fiscal deficit. So the statement 2 is incorrect. The statement 3 states inflation is directly proportional to the repo rate. Now see, if repo rate is high, then bank will give less loans, and if banks are giving less loans, this means less investment will be there, and this less investment will lead to less liquidity, and less liquidity means less inflation. So if repo rate is high, there will be a less inflation. So repo rate and inflation are inversely proportional, not directly proportional. So the third statement is also wrong. And the fourth statement states OMO means open market operations always injects liquidity in the market. Now we have seen in OMO, either there are selling of bonds or there are buying of bonds. या तो आरबीआई बॉन्ड खरीदता है या फिर आरबीआई बॉन्ड बेचता है, और आरबीआई अगर बॉन्ड बेचता है मतलब लिक्विडिटी एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है, और अगर आरबीआई बॉन्ड खरीदता है देन लिक्विडिटी इंजेक्ट कर रहा है. मींस ओएमओ not always inject liquidity. It may absorb liquidity also if RBI is selling the bonds. So the fourth statement is also wrong. So the correct option will be option D, 2, 3 and 4. These three statements are wrong. Now you can solve this question in another way. Now see, the first statement, suppose you know only about the first statement, आपको सिर्फ फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट के बारे में पता है, then you can easily eliminate the first statement from the three options. So these three options cannot be the answer. All these three options are having this first statement. This cannot be the answer. So the left out, that is D, will be the answer. अगर आपको बस एक ही स्टेटमेंट पता है, बाकी तीन या फिर बाकी दो के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता है, आप ऐसे एलिमिनेट करके एलिमिनेशन मेथड से ऐसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, राइट? दिस इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर we will continue about the Finance Commission. Till then, stay safe, stay at your home. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video. Thank you. Jai Hind.